the new technologies that are coming in,
Yeah.
particularly AI. There's been a lot spoken about it, and it's very difficult to understand or second guess how insurers and brokers will work with that, particularly because of some of the large insurers have got legacy technologies. It's very difficult to integrate the new technologies into their existing structures. So I think that's going to be a huge challenge. I think there will also be a challenge with an aging workforce and developing and cultivating new, younger insurance personnel into the market and making it an attractive career for young people to join. At the same time, to ensure that those people who have got experience in the insurance market are able to share their knowledge and expertise with the young generation.
So my view is that the insurance industry has to move from deploying human capital to deploying digital labour. And I think that's going to take some time. And I worry for them because I think new upstarts that have already embraced AI, native operations are going to move much faster than sort of the incumbents can transform. And I think that's going to be a major challenge.
So as a copywriter in the insurance industry, I can see that even before AI came along, but especially as AI has come along, we're going to all need, as different brands, different businesses, to really make ourselves stand out. And we all want to say that we're different, we do things differently to other companies, but in fact, we are all guilty of using the same generic, corporate, sometimes nothingy language. So we've got to all make a concerted effort to really inject personality into everything that we do and say and write as businesses, as brands, to make ourselves, be who we are as brands.
So the next 12 months, I know it's a bit of an eye roll, but AI is a big piece of what we're going to do over the next 12 months and the challenge that we're going to face with it. I think one of the major challenges with AI is people not knowing how to approach it. And people will either go down the route of going all in and being one of the big players, being one of the front runners for it, or one of those making that decision on whether to hold back a little bit. And I think that's actually one of the biggest challenges on how you're actually going to make that work and fit into your operating model.
Well, I wouldn't be lying if I was not to say AI, right?
Yeah.
But I think there's lots of different branches for people to want to talk about AI and how that works for them. It's more about the why, how that's going to enable them, how it's going to support them. There's read an article the other day that there's 30% of insurers that if they do not move into the future, then they'll die within the next year. So I think it's about being front and center of technology, what people are trying to do, how they're trying to do it, but not just switching things on and hoping that it works. Yeah. It's about really empowering and learning what it can do for the business and moving that forward.
I think everybody has probably mentioned AI.
Yeah, it's been a common topic.
But I think it's more about understanding who is using that in a way that's completely different. So rather than being a layer on top of what you do, of actually those organisations that have started as a native AI players and are able to move a lot faster as a result. The other challenge I think is with that, how do you still start to, and I don't know whether it's a 12-month or longer, how do you start to bring people still into the industry as people are not getting younger?
I think the rapid change of AI and how it's evolving and how difficult it is for the current employees to adapt and learn, and for governance and for change in general. So it's going to be a learning curve for all of us.